Hi, hello guys, 𝙬𝙧𝙚𝙧 here. We create excellent presentations. In this video, I will show you how to add images, photos in PowerPoint. So without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. First of all, you would need just a simple slide. So as you can see, I have already created a slide. The next thing is to go into Insert tab right here. And of course, here you have a lot of icons, a lot of features, but here you have something called pictures. So simply click on this drop down arrow, and as you can see, three options appear. The first one is basically insert picture from this device, stock images, and online pictures. The first option, so this device, if you click on it, basically you can select a photo that is on your drive, on your hard drive of your computer. So this is the first option. The next option is stock images. So I'm not sure, but if you are using Microsoft 365 subscription, I think then this feature is available for you. And of course, here you have plenty of photos. Of course, you can type here something like business, and you can select some of those photos and simply select insert. And as you can see, two of those photos are inserted. Of course, you can modify them, change position, etc, etc. And the third option is to use online pictures. So basically, if you click on this feature, you can use images from Bing browser. So for instance, let's type maybe like a dog, click enter, and of course here you have some photos of dogs. You can enable or disable Creative Commons only. Let's select maybe this dog and maybe this dog, insert. And as you can see, two of those photos are inserted. Of course, you can modify them, crop, do whatever you want. So basically guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial till the very end. If you have any questions, just post a comment. I really do like responding to my viewers' questions. Please subscribe the channel and turn on the notification bell, because simply then you will not miss out any of my future videos about PowerPoint, presentation design, and tutorials like this one. Once more, thank you guys for watching, have a great day, and lead a happy life. Excellent slides.